Okay, I'm Dr. Ari Deuk at Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients who's come back to see me. What,
Yes.
6 weeks now since
6
you had your
weeks now,
surgery?
six weeks now, and I can't say so much good about this operation. This operation was 100%. I don't have the headaches after 6 weeks. I got mobile. I'm mobile. My head can move both ways, any way you want. I mean, you get a little crackling now and then, but that's normal stuff.
What'd you have done?
I had just a cervical, and with a fusion, and everything's doing good.
Can you show me your scar?
I can show you a scar right here.
So right here,
Yep.
that's the scar. So
That's
I went through the front and I fixed how many discs?
Oh, there was 4 of them.
4 bones,
4, yep.
3 discs,
Yep.
right?
It was the 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7.
Yes, sir,
Yep.
correct. And that was 6 weeks ago. And when did you feel relief of the pain that you had before surgery?
Before surgery,
You had the pain
I had
before
a
surgery?
lot of pain, headaches,
Yep.
stiff necks. I couldn't move my neck too much. And now, after 1 week, I felt 50% better than what I had did the week before, after the surgery. And it's continuing getting better every day.
So how much of that pain that you had before surgery did we get rid of with the surgery at this point?
At this point right now, I would say 75 to 80% gone.
Excellent. All right. And the headaches you had before
Headaches.
surgery?
Headaches, oh, it was pounding. I didn't feel like getting up in the morning. The pain was so bad. And I had stiff neck, and I couldn't do nothing. If I lifted anything, 5, 10 pounds, my neck would kill me and my headaches were just out of this world. And I turned around, I said, is this the way I gotta live? I didn't wanna live that way. That's when I got together with Dr. Deuk.
And the headaches you had before surgery, do you still have them?
No.
They're gone.
Headaches are gone. No more
Very good.
headaches.
All right. And anything else you want to tell our audience? A lot of people don't believe that you can get rid of pain in the back or the neck with spine surgery. Is that true?
You can get rid of anything if Dr. Deuk does it.
Yeah. And how much am I paying you to say that?
You ain't paying me nothing. Yeah. Just kidding, no, really. He doesn't. I don't have to get paid for what I do. It came in here and took care of my problem. I feel good about it, and I was recommended. This is the guy to go see if he wants to take care of it.
Thank you.
If you don't, you want more headaches and pains, go to somebody else. You may get them.
Thank you for saying that. Before you came here, though, you were on the internet reading about people's experiences at other places that had surgery. And what was it like when people go elsewhere?
I got scared. I didn't really want to get it done. I read as much as I could about the Deuk, and I read up a lot about other people, and I even talked to people that were in a hospital. When I went to give blood, I talked to them, and they said, "Oh yeah, I go to this guy, I go to that guy, I go to this guy." When I read up about it, I said, "Oh, wait a minute, I gotta check around. I want to see if I get the best guy to take care of me, because it's my life and I want to enjoy it." I'm 77 years old, and I look at people today, they're in their 30s and 40s. You got to go to the wrong doctor, and you could you be going to wrong doctors the rest of your life, because they're not taking care of the pain that Dr. Deuk did for me. And that's an honest opinion from somebody that already had it done. And it's only been 6 weeks.
And I've been on Facebook talking to a lot of people over the last few weeks, and it shocks me at how many really believe that you can't get rid of the pain in the neck or back, that it's not possible with surgery to do that. Do you agree with them?
Well, yes, you can get rid of it, but you've got to go to the right place to get it done. If you want to try other people, hey, you can try, but trying ain't going to get it done right. So, I would recommend that Deuk is the man to see. If you want to try somebody else, hey, that's up to every individual. But I had to make a decision, and I talked to other doctors, and I had appointments with other doctors, and he made me feel comfortable, and he said, "Don't worry, when you go into surgery, you'll come out," because I've done a lot of them, and I'm very happy to take your case and do it. And I'm happy now, and I'll always be happy. Right now, I feel like I could climb over the world right now. With only 6 weeks.
I'm very happy for you.
And
Are you gonna climb over the world?
Well, if I get past my wife, I could. But she tries to confine me so much. But I just, like I said, I came in here and I said, I gotta get these restrictions off me so I can do something that I don't like to sit home, you know? And my wife, she wants to go on a trip, you know, and that's all that stuff. I want to do what I did before I did bowling. I went to the gym a lot, 3-4 days a week. I know I can't do what I did before, but I want to do partial, go up, every week, do a little bit more. Until I'm 100%, and it won't be long. I think I'll be 100% anytime. I don't know when, but I will be 100% soon.
Yeah, from your mouth to God's ears.
Oh,
Good seeing you,
Doctor,
my friend.
you're the best, okay?
Thank you very much.
And
I've
I
got a
would
great team.
recommend to anybody to come to you. I would recommend anybody.
Thank
If
you.
they make a mistake and go to somebody else, hey, that's bad.
I'll still be
bad.
here to help them
I
afterwards.
know.
Good seeing you guys.